What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert the internal storage into RAM on your OPPO Reno 5 Pro, 5 Pro Plus or the Find X3 Neo for better performance. So here we go. So here is my OPPO Reno 5 Pro, the Snapdragon 865 variant that's also launched in few regions as Find X3 Neo or the Reno 5 Pro Plus. So this feature of the expansion of the RAM using the internal storage just arrived on my device last night. So if you got any of these devices, then sooner or later you will get this update as well. So right now, as you can see that I got 12GB RAM. So 12GB RAM is already too much, but if you want to improve the performance for whatever reason, for heavy multitasking or something, or just for the gaming purpose, you can increase the RAM from 12GB to up to 19GB. So the very first thing you have to do, go to the settings. After that, scroll down, go to the bottom and go to the About Phone section. Here you will find all of this information. If you tap on RAM, then a RAM expansion screen will appear. Before this update, if you tap on this RAM part, nothing would happen. But now if you tap on this, then you will go to this page and here you will find the RAM expansion feature. So all you have to do now is tap on this slider to turn it on. So you can see that we got the option to select the how much amount of RAM you would like to increase. It is 3GB, 5GB and 7GB. There is no in between. For example, you can't select 4GB or 6GB. So either it is 3GB or 5GB or 7GB, and if I tap in the middle, nothing is going to happen, as I said. So depending on your preference. So right now I have like 12GB RAM. Let's select 7GB. And as you can see that it will work only once you restart the device. So if I go back from here, you can see still it is showing 12GB RAM. So let's restart the device and let's see what's going to happen. So now if I go to the settings, once again go to the About Phone section, here you can see now it is showing 12GB RAM plus 7GB RAM. So now the RAM on my OPPO Reno 5 Pro Plus here is increased by 7GB. If I go to the recent task, once again you can see it is showing here 12 plus 7GB RAM is available on my device here now. If you want, you can once again reduce the amount of this virtual RAM from 7GB to 5GB or 3GB, or you can even turn it off. But keep in mind that for whatever changes you make, you will have to restart the device, otherwise it will keep showing 12 plus 7 or 12 plus 5. You can see that even though it is turned off right now, it is still showing 12 plus 7GB RAM because the device needs to be started for these changes to take place. So this is how you can use the RAM expansion feature on your OPPO Reno 5 Pro, 5 Pro Plus or the Find X3 Neo to convert the internal storage in the RAM on your smartphone. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.